Hi, welcome for our RTL online trainings and placement. This video, I'm going to make it related for ChatGPT. It's not related for Oracle Fusion Cloud or Oracle EBS or SQL PLS. It's not related for Oracle products. It's a general topic. It's a general experience which I faced yesterday. So yesterday, one student has came to our office in Hyderabad location, and he's a fresher, and he was asking me about the codes, whether can you place me in Oracle Fusion Cloud as a fresher? I was explaining that if you go ahead as a fresher, it takes a couple of months time because very rare case fresher opportunities will come every 2 months or 3 months. Sometimes immediately we may get. It depends. But you should be very strong with the subject. And only few startup companies will take up this as a fresher. Level 5 companies, I don't think so. You take it as a fresher in the cloud environment. Maybe they can consider you as an engineering graduate as you are passed out in 2022. So they may consider you as a general graduation fresher, but not into the Oracle Fusion Cloud. That's what's in discussion. He said that, oh, sir, I have seen this ChatGPT and I heard a lot of things and I have gone through that also. Will it replace software engineers? So many people are talking and telling about ChatGPT that after some years, ChatGPT will replace the software engineers. We don't require software engineers, more people. Maybe 100 consultants are working, for example, with 10, 20 members, we can go ahead like that. Oh, he has raised, but I have not seen ChatGPT so far. I heard, but I have not seen so far. So yesterday evening, okay, let's sit on the ChatGPT and see what it is actually. So I just gone through around 15, 20 minutes through ChatGPT and try to analyze what exactly this is and how it's going to be work and how it will be helpful. Will it really replace the software engineers in future? That's just a small analysis I just wanted to know. So I spent around 30, 40 minutes time, not more than that. And finally, I got a little bit conclusion. It's general experience only, but I'm not master in ChatGPT or any other. It's this video, I just wanted to know my personal experience. It's not related for Oracle Fusion or Oracle EBS, something. It's a general discussion. So I went to ChatGPT, OpenAI, and I have registered my account by giving the email ID, after that WhatsApp number. And the first search, what I have done is I just wanted to go to Lonavala trip, car trip, like this monsoon. I just wanted to go. So for that, I entered this input here, saying that car trip to Lonavala. So it sounds like a great plan. Lonavala is a popular hill station located in the state of Maharashtra, India. So got good information and which route is good and travel time and road conditions, weather, attractions, and means location spots and other things. It's fine. That's okay. It's good. Then after that, basically, I like to go as in search with the short film and make in a small short film. Interested to do some films, but due to the time constraint, I may not be able to do that. That's why I just wanted to do a short film, especially some crime stories or thrilling action. Anyway, we cannot do that because budget problem and all. So I just entered, I would like to have a good thrilling story for a short film. And then this has given some vanishing act synopsis and other. So generally, I'm not that much good in English to understand other than Oracle Fusion and Oracle EBS and Oracle. Other than this, if any other English is there, difficult for me to understand. I can, but I'm not getting that much of interest to understand other. So I just went a couple of lines, then, okay, fine, let's come to the actual reason. Then I just wanted to test. Actually, we have Google, and we know that Google, we are using last 15, 20 years. we are searching for the data and trying to gather from couple of sites and try to get it from YouTube videos and all. A lot of content is there. And will go through multiple blogs. Number of professionals across the world, they are posting the blogs and they are posting the videos and other things. So basically, when we search for some particular concept we require, then we'll get either one or multiple options. So we'll go through that and try to finalize. So what I have done is in ChatGPT, I have searched. Let's come to our subject. What are the different types of purchase orders we have in Oracle Fusion Cloud? I clearly mentioned in Oracle Fusion Cloud, what are the different types of purchase orders. So it's showing that there are several types of purchase orders. Standard purchase order, perfect. Blanket purchase agreement, perfect. Contract purchase agreement, perfect. There are 3 purchase order types. We do not have planned purchase order and contract purchase order, CPO. We don't have that much. Maybe it is in purchase contracts we have. And dropship purchase orders, different thing that is. So these are the commonly used purchase order types in Oracle Fusion Cloud. So here planned purchase order 100% is not there in our Oracle Fusion Cloud. I clearly specified here Oracle Fusion Cloud. So the information which we are getting from ChatGPT is okay, but not 100%, not even 80 or 90%. It's okay, fine, it's good, but not great. So I felt that it's the same information you can get it from Google also. Google is already providing this information. So I felt that Oracle Fusion Cloud is a new ERP which is introduced by Oracle. Maybe ChatGPT is not updated. Maybe this information, people used to tell that it's last 3-4 years back data. If you search, you will get it, not the current data or something, or it's there in still trial version and all. So what I've done is next I went, okay, let's come back to another one. Oracle Fusion only I have searched again, Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM. What are the different types of employment models we have in human capital management? What are the different types of employment models we have? So what system is showing here? It is something regular employment, temporary employment, seasonal, contingent workforce, internship. So this is absolutely wrong. This 100% wrong. Maybe the previous one has got some wrong, but majority of the information is correct. But here completely wrong, because my question is very clear. What are the different types of employment models we have in Oracle Fusion Cloud HCM? Okay, the same information, let's search in Google. Directly Oracle itself will tell us. Directly Oracle or some professionals, experts who has written this, like what are the different types of employment models we have. There are 2 different types, 2-tier and 3-tier. Again, in 2-tier, single assignment, multiple assignment, this employment models in Oracle Fusion. So let's search in Oracle itself, the 2-tier employment models here. So even if we search with Oracle website also, we will find that there are 2 different types of employment models, 2-tier and 3-tier. So, so this information is completely wrong. So we cannot go ahead with that. So we are getting an excellent information already in Google. Google is there already. So let's go to the next question. I felt, okay, Oracle Fusion is a new ERP. Let's see, let's go back to Oracle applications, EBS, which is there in the market last 25 years. So maybe we can try to get that information. Then what are the different types of value sets we have in Oracle applications, EBS? Yeah, fine, we got very good result, but there are 8 different types of value sets we have in Oracle Fusion. We have Oracle applications. In Oracle applications, we have independent, dependent, table, translated, dependent, translated, independent, special, and pair. But 6 are correct. So the whatever 6 types here we are getting, that's fine. But the 7th one is completely wrong. This is not at all a value set. Extensible flux field is basically it's a flux field. It's not comes under the value set. And 2 more are missing. What are those 2? One is translated dependent. Another one is what is missing? None. None type of value set is missing. The question is very clear. The same question I'm going to search in Google. Let's see. So in the first itself, we are getting none, independent, dependent, table, special, pair, translated, and Oracle itself has given the list. So after searching all these things, I felt I don't think so. The ChatGPT is going to be useful, or it can replace even 5 or 10% of software engineering. It's my personal opinion. I'm not an expert. I'm not a genius. But it's at this point of time, what I felt is whatever ChatGPT is providing the information, more than that information, Google is already providing. So is the Google is replacing this software engineers? No, you get number of links and you will get images and you will get videos also. There are many professionals who has prepared the videos and posted in YouTube. So you can go through that video, and obviously instead of text message, the video will make us more practical oriented, right? So there will be an examples will be provided. So I felt that finally this is no way useful for the software engineers, ChatGPT, because that information which we are getting is already we have here. So somebody says that if you enter some question, like, for example, I have some requirement, I want to write a query to retrieve the information from the table, like a second highest salary or some purchase order information, which is having highest total and all. So the same queries we are already getting in Google, and many humans like professionals has been prepared the videos and loaded. So after completion of all this search and all, what I felt around 30 minutes of my time investment, I felt that ChatGPT is not at all a competitor for a software engineer. As already we have Google, and in Google we are already using and we are trying to use it. But anyway, competitor for a software engineer, that's fine. Maybe some information can be useful for the content writers of the basic, like uh, writing stories or any other things, but not more than that. But I don't think so that writing also you can get it from Google and YouTube. So artificial intelligence, maybe few of things can be automated. Maybe some electronics devices switch on and off for monitoring purpose or take some decisions dynamically this point of time, but not more than that, I guess. Okay. So let's start working hard and try to make the technology point of view as you are one of the expert. Then always you will be in demand. So humans' brain will always sharp and take a decision dynamically in the real time. That's AI cannot do it. Okay. Thank you.